Hello guys and welcome to TechRick's tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to remove your project on your Invideo. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to go here on our browser and then go to Invideo website. And once we are now on the workspace right here, all we have to do is to go here on the left screen and then click this My Projects right here. Once you click that, all of your projects will pop up right here on the screen. And let's say for example that we want to delete this exact project right here. So all we have to do is to click this three dot right here. And once you click it, you will see this delete project. And then just click it. After that, click delete again. And as you can see right there, the project is now deleted successfully. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching TechRick's tutorial. I hope you learned something and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.